Does your bikes have a track or a anti-dive function on the front? Yeah. What does that do to the weight on the rear tire? Well, if it prevents weight transferring to the front, is that what it does? To prevent weight transferring to the front? Oh, it prevents the front from going down. Oh, which means the center of gravity stays higher? Which means there's more, get that? There's more weight transfer when you have anti-track, anti-dive?
Yes.
If there's more, that means you have less weight on the rear end because of anti-dive.
And that means, does it not, that it's easier to do a stoppie with anti-dive? It's easier to lose traction on the rear, to skid the rear with anti-dive than with that.